Maundu matiganite maria makoretwo makihanika ministry-ini ya githomo matuko-ini maica ikuhi ni maigite ruhonge ruru king'ang'a-ini na riu atongoria a kiuteti magiukirira uria maundu maratwarithio na mbere ministry-ini iyo. Wetangula ni agite na nganja nene na utongoria wa Minister Amina Mohamed thutha wake kwanirira ati mutaratara mweru wa githomo wambe wiguo keheri-ini na thiku nini thutha ucio ningi akawacokerera mutaratara ucio na kuuga ni mwega na uthii na mbere.
The Ministry of Education has now distinguished itself as the most erratic department of government in Kenya. Totally inconsistent, very erratic in their pronouncements. Today they are changing the curriculum, tomorrow they are back to the old curriculum. Today they are doing this, tomorrow they are doing that.
Conflicting statements from the Ministry of Education about the new curriculum. Sasa tujui tuende na 844, tuende na grade 3, vitabu haviko, wazazi wamechanganyikiwa. Honestly speaking, Mheshimiwa Senate, you have a responsibility as leaders of this country to put the Ministry of Education on toes.
Na wigie mukano uria uheanitwo ni ngwataniro ya arutani KNUT ya kuiga mirothi kiumia giukite, Wetangula augite ati arutani ni mabatie ni guthikiririo mateta mao na akahinyiriria miario gatagati ka anyiti itemi matiganite. Ken Jenga uria ni mwandiki wa KNUT ruhonge rwa Bungoma akinyita Wetangula baru.
Sit down with the teachers and talk. The teachers have a point, you have a point. Have a middle ground and agree.
Ministry of Education imesongesha in its own wisdom tarehe ya kufungua shule from 2nd to 3rd. Hapo hesabu gani? Tunafungua shule Alhamisi. Ever since when have schools open on a Thursday?
Kungikinya gutikugia na wuiguano gatagati ga kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC na KNUT ni kuuga ati mihang'o ya githomo yaya gutharara kiambiriria-ini kia mwaka mweru. Ngiribotera mohoro Gitau Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.